Hi, welcome to Think Big Digital, and today I will show you how to add glitch effects to your videos in CapCut. First, let's open our app, and as you can see, I already have a project opened. Now, adding glitch effect is really easy and simple. First, you can obviously add the glitch effect to your whole video. I mean, if you want to, you can do it. But let's cut a small portion for the editing purposes in this video. Let's say I want to add the glitch effect from here to here. To add the glitch effect, I have to select the clip and click on effects. Here, if I click on video effects, this window will pop up, and if I search glitch, CapCut will give me multiple options of different glitches that I can wish to add to my video. Now let's say I want to add this fuzzy glitch to my video. As you can see, it's a pro effect that if you wish to use on your video without any watermark, you would need to upgrade your CapCut to the pro subscriptions. So let's go back, and here you can see the glitch effect is added to my video. If you found this video helpful, please give it a thumbs up. And if you have any question, comment below and we'll be more than happy to answer it for you. And if you want to see us more on your For You page, subscribe to our channel.